Hi, good evening, students. Today I would like to continue this particular chapter, polynomials. Next topic is remainder theorem. Remainder theorem. I would like to state this particular theorem after solving this particular example sum. They may ask one example, students, like divide 3x square plus x minus 1 by x plus 1. We have to divide. How we can divide polynomials? Means x square plus x minus 1. This is actually x plus 1. Here we have to consider first term, students. First term is 3x square. Dividend first term is x. Here you can divide. According to second law of exponents, x to the power m divided by x to the power n is equal to x to the power m divided by x to the power n is equal to x to the power m minus n. This is how we can write second law of exponents. Therefore, here there is no power means in the big first class itself I was so particular x to the power 1. Please try this particular number and write it here. 3x is remaining. Here we can write 3x. 3 ones are 3. X into x, x square, plus into plus, plus 3x into 1 means 3x. Next step, we have to subtract. That is what the second step. Subtraction means please interchange the sign which is present in the second equation. Here plus, we can write minus. Here plus, minus. Plus 3x square minus 3x square cancels. Next, here plus x, here minus 3x. Opposite sign means subtraction. Minus 3x plus x means minus 2x minus 1. Next, again same principle. First term minus 2x divided by x. X you can cancel. Answer is minus 2. Please note down the term here. Plus into minus, minus 2 into x, 2x, minus into plus, minus 2 ones are 2. Again you can follow the same step. Minus, therefore we can write plus. Here minus, please write down plus. Plus 2x minus 2x gets cancelled. Next, plus 2 and minus 1 means answer is plus 1. I would like to write only 1. Okay, fine. Here, dividend, divisor, capital letter Q, quotient and remainder. Dividend means this is nothing but dividend. 3x square plus x minus 1. Divisor, this is nothing but divisor, is x plus 1. Quotient, this is actually quotient, 3x minus 2. Remainder we got 1. Clear? This is actually using long division method. Long division, L-O-N-G. Method is long division method. They may ask 1 mark or 2 mark questions, students. Using long division method, find the remainder. This is how you can find out the remainder. Here we got remainder is equal to 1. Okay, fine. Next. This is actually rough work, students. You have to note down this one in your notebook. If this is your notebook, means here please make one column that is actually rough work column. There you can work out those concepts. Clear? I would like to rub that particular content. Next. Using long division method, we got remainder is equal to 1. Let us use remainder theorem concept. Remainder theorem concept. P of x is equal to, P of x means the given polynomial or the given dividend. What is that? 3x square plus x minus 1. Clear? Next, divisor is denoted by g of x is equal to x plus 1. This is how you can write. First step is consider g of x is equal to 0. This is actually first step in remainder theorem concept. G of x is equal to 0. Here x plus 1 is equal to 0. If plus 1 on transposing it becomes minus 1. Plus 1 on transposing it becomes minus 1. Next, please substitute here students. P of minus 1 is equal to 3 into minus 1 square plus into minus 1. Here minus 1. 3 into minus 1 square means plus 1. Because minus into minus plus. Plus into minus. Minus. Here minus 1. 3 ones are 3. Minus 1 means minus 2. P of minus 1 is equal to 1. This is also 1. Here also we got the same answer. This is actually called remainder theorem. Using remainder theorem, find the remainder means you have to follow the second step. Using long division method, find the remainder means you can go for the first method. Is it clear, students? This is actually long division method. In the long division method, P of x and G of x is important. In the P of x, highest power is 3x square. Please take 3x square divided by x. X and power you can cancel using law of exponents. Second law of exponents. Clear? This is actually remainder theorem using second method. Second method is known as remainder theorem. Clear? Please note down the theorem, students. Theorem means one example question. It should be there in your notebook. Before that, you should write the definition of this particular theorem or statement of this particular theorem. Please take the screenshot or please note down this particular answer. Okay. See here, students. If a polynomial P of x is divided by x minus a, then the remainder is P of a. Because here minus a, you have to consider x minus a is equal to 0. X is equal to a. Instead of x, you can replace a. Clear? This is actually the statement of remainder theorem. If divisor is a linear polynomial, then only we can apply this particular concept, students. You have to note down this particular statement in your notebook. After that, you can write the example. Clear? What is this? If a polynomial P of x is divided by x minus a, then the remainder is P of a. Clear, students? This is actually a remainder theorem. Any doubt? No. Fine. I would like to explain next concept, that is factor theorem. I think remainder theorem concept is clear. Okay, fine. Okay, fine, students. Next concept is factor theorem. Using remainder theorem only we can solve this particular concept. Finally, we have to write whether it is a factor or not. How we can write? So simple. P of x means x square minus 7x plus 12. G of x is always, it should be a linear polynomial, students. Okay, fine. P of x. Here, first step as usual, consider x minus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 3 on transposing it becomes plus 3. Please apply that particular number here. X square means 3 square minus 7 into 3 plus 12. 3 3s are 9. 7 3s are 21 plus 12. 9 plus 12 minus 21. First positive numbers. 9 plus 12. 21 minus 21. P of 3 is equal to 0. Here we got remainder is equal to 0. Therefore, remainder is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 3 is a factor of P of x. If remainder is equal to 0, then you can write it is a factor of P of x. In the previous example, in the first example, we got remainder is equal to 1. Therefore, G of x is not a factor of P of x. But here in this example, G of x is a factor of P of x because remainder is equal to 0. Remainder, it should be 0, students. Then only we can write it is a factor. Remainder, for example, some constant number. 10. 10 means it is not a factor. 0 means it is a factor. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 10. It is not a factor. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 7, minus 8. It is not a factor. If it is equal to 0, then only we can say it is a factor of P of x. Clear, students? Therefore, factor theorem statement is also very, very important. How we can write the factor? If x minus a is a factor of P of x, then P of a is equal to 0. What is this? Factor theorem statement, students. If x minus a is a factor of P of x, then P of a is equal to 0. P of a is equal to some constant number means here small alteration. It is not a factor. Reminder, for example, any number other than 0, then you have to write x minus 3 is not a factor. It is a factor means, reminder, it should be equal to 0. Any doubt, students? Now I would like to solve next exercise. Please note down, students. Okay, students. Now exercise number 2.3. First heading. Exercise number 2.3. Page number 40. Page number 40. This was actually first sum, students. Locate the question in the textbook. In the textbook, question number 1 is find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by case 1 is by using x plus 1. How we can simplify? G of x. Divisor is always denoted by g of x, students. G of x is x plus 1. First step, here I'll write g of x is equal to x plus 1. As I said, first step is consider g of x is equal to 0. G of x is equal to 0 means x plus 1 is equal to 0. If plus 1 on transposing, it becomes minus 1. You can substitute here P of minus 1, minus 1 cube, 3 into minus 1 square, 3 into minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 cube, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, here minus 1. Clear? 3 as it is into minus 1 square, minus 1 into minus 1, minus into minus, plus 1 ones are 1. Sorry, here plus into minus, minus 3 ones are 3 plus 1, minus 1, plus into plus plus, 3 ones are 3, minus plus, plus 1 minus 1, plus 3 minus 3. P of minus 1 is equal to 0. First answer is ready. Please note down the students. Okay, now question number 2, sub question number 2. First main sub question number 2, x minus 1 by 2. G of x is equal to x minus 1 by 2. Consider g of x is equal to 0. X minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Here x is equal to 1 by 2. Please substitute here. P of 1 by 2 cube, 1 by 2 cube, 3 into 1 by 2 square, 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 cube is 1. 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2. Don't write on 6, it is wrong. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are. Here 8. 3 into 1 square is 1, 2 square means 4. 3 ones are 3 divided by 2 plus 1. 1 by 8 plus 3 ones are 3 by 4, 3 by 2 plus 1. Here don't add 8 plus 4, 12 plus 2, 14. That is wrong, students. You can go for LCM method. Otherwise, please take any two fractions. I would like to take first two fractions. Then go for cross multiplication. 4 ones are 4. 8 threes are 24 divided by 8 into 4 plus 2. Here, denominator there is no number, means always 1. 3 ones are 2 ones are divided by 2. Next, 8, 24 plus 4 is 28 divided by 8 into 4 plus 3 plus 2 means 5 by 2. Next, see here, 28 by 4, we can simplify. 4. Okay, fine, students. Next, 28 divided by 8 into 4 plus 5 by 2. 4 ones are 4 sevens. Next, 7 by 8 plus 5 by 2. 7 by 8 plus 5 by 2. Go for cross multiplication. 7 2s are 14, 8 5s are 40, 8 into 2 is 16. Next, 14 plus 40 means 54 by 16. Final answer is 27 by 8. Same question number, sub question number 3 is x. Okay, see here, students. G of x is equal to x. First step, consider g of x is equal to 0. Simple step, x is equal to 0. Don't get confused. Directly we can assume, as usual, x is equal to 0. Here, p of 0 is equal to 0 cube plus 3 into 0 square, 3 into 0 plus 1. 0 cube, 0 to the power 100 means 0, plus 3 into 0 square, 0. 0 into any number, 0 plus 1. 0. 3 into 0. 0 plus 0 plus 1. 1 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0. Answer is 1. Therefore, third sub question answer is P of 0 is equal to 1. Please note down, students. Okay, fine, students. Fourth sub question. Find the remainder using x plus pi. X plus pi. X plus pi is equal to 0. Plus pi on transposing it becomes minus pi. Please substitute here. Instead of x you can replace pi. X is equal to minus pi cube plus 3 into minus pi square plus 3 into minus pi plus 1. Next, p of here you should write minus pi, students. Okay. Next, pi cube 3 into pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. This is nothing but your answer. Clear? Next, fifth sub question, p of 5 by 2. How we got 5 by 2, sir? Here 5 plus 2x. 5 plus 2x is equal to 0. 2x is equal to plus 5 on transposing it becomes minus 5. Here also minus 5, students. Here we can write minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, minus 5 by 2. Here minus 5 cube minus 3 times. Therefore this is minus 125 by 8. This is always plus. Here it is minus. Then you can simplify using your basic mathematics knowledge. Answer I didn't write, students. Please try to solve this particular fraction and please note down the answer, students. There are 5 sub questions. If you have any doubt you can ask with me. Otherwise I would like to solve second question. Question number 2, students. Okay. Second line, find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. Here, first step, consider x minus a is equal to 0 or g of x is equal to 0. G of x is equal to 0 means x minus a is equal to 0. X minus a on transposing it becomes plus a. Instead of x we have to replace a. P of a is equal to x cube, a into a square. Sorry, here it should be a. Fine. 6 into a minus a. A cube as it is, plus into minus, minus a into a square is a cube, plus 6 into a, 6a minus a, plus a cube minus a cube cancels. P of a is equal to 6a minus a is 5a. This is nothing but our reminder, students. Question number third one is homework. Please try to solve that particular sum. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Thank you, students. Next topic is factor theorem. Please note down. Okay, fine, students. Next one is based on factor theorem. Exercise number 2.4, page number 43. Okay, look at your textbook. Determine which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 has a factor. Therefore, this is nothing but divisor. First polynomial, p of x is equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. First step, as usual, consider g of x is equal to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0. Plus 1 on transposing it becomes minus 1. Here, please substitute p of minus 1. Minus 1 cube, minus 1 square, minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 cube, minus 1, minus 1 square is plus 1, here minus 1, okay, plus 1, minus 1, then plus 1, plus 1 minus 1 cancels, minus 1 plus 1 cancels, p of minus 1 is equal to 0. Reminder, we got 0, students. Therefore, finally we can write x minus 1 is a factor of x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Any doubt? Using remainder theorem only we can find out whether it is a factor or not. But reminder, it should be 0. Therefore, here x plus 1 is a factor of x square plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. First sum. Please note down question number 2. Here itself we can go for the change. Yes. Sub question number 2 is x to the power 4, that is p of x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. G of x is same, students, x plus 1. First step, x plus 1 is equal to 0. Plus 1 on transposing it becomes minus 1. Here you can substitute. P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 to the power 4, minus 1 cube, minus 1 square, minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 to the power 4 means 4 times you have to write 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, minus, 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 minus. 1, 1 is 1, 1, 1 is 1, 1, 1 is 1. Sign, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus 1. Here minus 1, here plus 1, here minus 1, here plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1, plus 1 minus 1 cancels. Answer is p of minus 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, x plus 1 is not a factor of, directly you can write p of x. That is the end of second sub question, students. Okay, please note on third question, actually homework. Third sub question is homework. Please note down fourth one. Okay, sub question number fourth one. Find whether it is a factor or not. As usual, first step is same. Here we can write instead of x minus 1, minus 1 cube, minus into minus 1 square minus 2 plus root 2 into minus 1 plus root 2. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 1 square is plus. Minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2. Minus into plus minus into minus plus root 2. Plus root 2. Then here minus 2 plus 2. Next minus root 2 minus root 2 means minus 2 root 2. Here plus 2 minus 2 cancels. Answer 2 root 2 p of minus 1. Okay. Therefore, x plus 1 is not a factor of p of x. Therefore, x plus 1 is not a factor of p of x. Therefore, it is not a factor. Clear, students? X is equal to minus 1. This is how you can simplify second main questions also. Please try to solve that particular questions. In the next class, I would like to continue with this particular exercise. Very lengthy chapter, easy concept, very important chapter for the next academic year, students. Please go through the sums. If you have any doubt, please ask. Thank you. Have a nice day. Let us see in the next session. Thank you.